Hey, sixth grade. So we are back to language arts. What you are doing today is similar to what you did Friday. So attached to Google Classroom, you will have this article about leatherback turtles and Kemp's Ridley turtles. As you read through, there's information about the leatherbacks, and then there's information about the Kemp's Ridley sea turtle. If you scroll further down, there are comprehension questions like last time. You will highlight the correct answer. I think that worked easy for you guys last time from the ones that I went through. Scroll further down. It says overall the text Leatherbacks and Kemp's Ridley Sea Turtles is organized as a compare and contrast text. Highlight to mark the sentences and phrases for the following. So throughout the article, you are going to highlight light blue sentences that refer to both kinds of sea turtles or sea turtles in general. So if it's talking about both or any kinds of sea turtles, that will be light blue. Sentences that refer to the leatherback, so specifically the leatherback sea turtle, you're going to highlight red. And sentences that refer to the Kemp's Ridley sea turtle, you are going to highlight green. On Friday, from Friday's assignment, a lot of you guys did a really great job. Some of you just missed a couple sentences, so for this time, make sure you are completing all of those. The next section, read the following paragraph. This paragraph is organized as cause and effect. Use the boxes below to record the cause and the effects. So you are going to read this paragraph, and then you are going to type in here from the box, this paragraph, what is the cause and what were the two effects? There's more than one. So from this one paragraph, there are two effects with one cause. So fill that in. And then the last part, answer the following questions using complete sentences. So you need to have capital letter and punctuation. No spelling errors because you can use your spell check and your end punctuation. Don't forget to restate the question. I would say from Friday, that was one of the biggest point losers is that you did not restate the question, and it clearly says to restate here. So question 1, according to the text, what are some of the differences with the leatherback turtle compared to the rest of the sea turtles? You should have at least two differences from leatherbacks compared to the other turtles. And the second one, according to the text, why is plastic a problem for leatherback turtles? So for both of these, you should be finding information from the text, not information that you know about sea turtles that you've learned prior to this assignment. Remember, if you have any questions, Miss Frommel and I will be on from 1 to 1:30. And that again is a time for questions. If you guys want to pop on and say hi, that's awesome. But it's really just if you have questions about the assignment, and we're happy to answer them for you. So if you don't have anything else, that is everything you need to know about the assignment. Happy turtle hunting.